In the silent switch experiment, a busy cafe becomes a live stage where pairs swap tiny routines like who pours water or who chooses the table, testing how quickly people adapt. Observers note how quick agreements arise, how tensions surface over etiquette, and which social cues unlock collaboration without words. The reactions reveal patterns of implicit trust, bias, and generosity as strangers navigate shared space with fresh rules for a limited time. Key takeaways show that flexibility and clear nonverbal cues boost cooperation, even in unfamiliar teams.